Hello, and welcome back to Shiba Inu Land, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing Shiba Inu news. We're giving away 100 million Shiba Inu coins to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment hashtag Shiba Inu, and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. In terms of fundamentals, mark Cuban's Shiba Inu Coin, which will soar to whales to amass 14.9 trillion, is the new Bitcoin as it navigates the perilous bear market waters. She would have new prices that would fluctuate between a medium-sized range of $11,800 million and $12,740 million. For now, new prices should focus on defending the demand area highlighted at $11,800 million of $1 in an effort to relaunch its northbound quest to 18 millions of $1. Earlier this week, the second largest meme coin was strongly rejected at $1,295 million of $1 while attempting to capitalize on a bullish move, targeting 18 millions of $1. Today, we're going to talk about why Shiba Inu Coin is the new Bitcoin in terms of fundamentals. Let's look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is on September 10th before we go on to our topic. The Shib coin price is trying to stay steady at its current level, in an effort to change the token's course. To approach the upper range, the Shib coin needs to continue on its current path. For the Shib coin, technical indicators show an ascending triangular formation with an upward trend. The relative strength index of 55 indicates the Shib coin's rising trend. The RSI is getting close to overbought area, while the max Shib coin's indicator shows bullish momentum. Investors and she need to keep an eye on the daily charts for any directional changes because a positive crossover will happen when the MACD line passes the signal line upward. She beat the news price, deviated away from the falling triangle pattern at the 2021 lows and shifted into an ascending triangle pattern where it started a consolidation period. The daily price chart shows that the token is now trading at a negative rate, therefore it will need to come up with an escape plan and enlist patron assistance. The coin needs to draw in more investors if it wants to go through the consolidation phase. To reclaim the chart, the Shib coin must surpass the 2021 lows to avoid being discovered by the merchants. To be considered a breakthrough, the token must draw in traders and move in close proximity to the upper trend line while bulls are just barely hanging onto the higher trend line's edge. Technical indicators for the Shib coin indicate an upward trend with an ascending triangle shape. When the MACD line crosses the upward pointing signal line, it is known as a positive crossover. Investors must closely monitor the daily chart for any changes in trend. Now let's return to the subject. Despite restrictions on price movement, whales continue to invest more in Shib. The market is paying attention to a few new CB investors who have amassed up to 14.9 trillion inexpensive tokens. According to reports on Etherscan, the two wealthy whales increased their investment in the second most popular cryptocurrency by another 701 billion cheap tokens on September 7th, amounting to approximately $8.62 million, and the 75th largest Chimino whale accumulated roughly 541.32 billion cheap tokens on Wednesday, amounting to approximately $6.6 million. Based on Etherscan.io. The purchase was made from the crypto exchange Gate.io in a single transaction. The sixth largest whale also got off with over 160 billion Shib tokens, which are valued about $1.9 million. The whale completed the transaction in two batches, first with a massive $1.75 million order and then with a $218,772 order. CryptoBasic, a crypto media platform, discovered that the whale now holds an astounding 14.37 trillion tokens, bringing the total held by the two whales to roughly 14.9 trillion. If whales continue their buying binge, GV's new price might begin to acquire traction. As the market consolidates, accumulation frequently happens. In other words, holders of significant volumes frequently push for a price breakout in either direction, and the support level for the Shiba Inu price is anticipated to be 1,180 millions of $1. A bullish breakout is likely above the upper range barrier of 1,274 millions of $1 because, according to the stochastic oscillator on the 4-hour chart, the Wednesday's fleeting rally has petered out. Before banking on a large bullish climb, traders searching for new entries must wait for CB Enterprise to tag the lower range limit 11,100 millions of $1. The essential support between $11 million and $1.12 million is strengthened by the IO map on chain models into the block. Approximately 20,000 addresses purchased 58.77 trillion tokens, and the range's holders will concentrate on protecting the support area while aiming for an upward move to 18 millions of $1 on the chart. The numerous weak obstacles might not prevent Shiba Enterprise from moving forward for very long, so a bullish breakout is imminent. Every now and again, Shiba fresh pricing action causes a significant price change. Up until the end of August, it remained largely inert, but the first week of September saw a noticeable uptick in price action. As the bears scaled back their attack, new observations show an uptick in WoW activity. Shib began the week on a bearish note, which led to a modest decline by midweek and a test of support near the lows of August after the stock dropped back to the $11 million and $7 mark. Since then, the price of GBN News has somewhat recovered, demonstrating that the support line is still in place. A closer examination of its own chain metrics suggests that the minor increase may only be the beginning of another, potentially significant price rise, while transaction metrics showed strong activity over the previous 7 days. But what happened over the past 2 days is what's really interesting. There was at least one deal worth over $1 million. The last 2 days had the highest concentration of wild transactions, totaling over $1 million compared to any other time frame in the previous 7 days. This suggests that whales have been purchasing the midweek price steps of Shiba News. A more thorough study reveals that quite a significant volume of Shib was gathered in the previous few days. On September 7th, Shib's 90-day dormant circulation saw a significant increase. During this time, roughly 1.1 trillion Shib were transferred. In the previous 24 hours, it also reached a high of 128.7 billion Shib. This result was in line with whale activity seen during the same time frame and a modest price increase. A 7.61 trillion cheap surge in the age-consumed measure showed that such a significant value was exchanged. The meme cryptocurrency experienced such a significant increase in mid-August, which was followed by a significant price increase, as corroborated by his observations and Chibi news measures. Shib holders could anticipate a wave of vigorous demand in the upcoming days, which might lead to yet another significant price increase if the same metrics hold true. This is susceptible to a change in public opinion, which would improve the likelihood of success. All okay, bye for now. Additionally, we would like to point out that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice and that we are not urging you to invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. In light of this, we advise you to conduct in-depth, comprehensive research on the subject before making any investments. We trust you enjoyed the video. If you own a Shiba, please let us know in the comments section below. Please also subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you at Shiba Inu Coin again soon. Bye.